Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom zoom in or zoom out effect in Capcut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project on Capcut and then I'm going to import my photos. For example, this one and also this one, and I'm going to click on add to import the photos. Okay, and if you want to create custom zoom in or zoom out effect, I recommend you to use keyframe because you can't customize the zoom in or zoom out effect if you apply zoom effect from the Capcut video effect. Wait, let me try the zoom effect. Okay, and let's try the zoom lens. Okay, and you cannot customize it guys. You can adjust the speed and range, but you cannot adjust the movement. Okay, and I'm going to apply the zoom effect from the Capcut video effect to my first photo, and to my second photo I'm going to use keyframe. Okay, we can click on the photo and I'm going to select this keyframe icon, and then you can zoom in like this. Oops, wait, I'm going to delete it and I'm going to place the keyframe here. I'm going to place the keyframe on the last part, and then I'm going to zoom in, and you can make a movement as well if you use the keyframe like this. Okay, this is the zoom effect using keyframe. You can also make a movement. Wait, I'm going to zoom in right here like this, and I'm going to make movement. I'm going to move my camera to this part. Okay, so using this keyframe feature, you can customize the zoom in or the zoom out effect as you like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add one more photo. I'm going to add this photo, and then I'm going to create zoom out effect. Okay, let's add the keyframe, and for the first part I'm going to make it like this, and I'm going to make it zoom out. Okay, and let's see how it looks. Okay, you can customize it for free guys, and you can also use the grab here. This is for the grab, and I'm going to see the other one. Okay, let's try the bounce like this. That's so cool. The keyframe is so flexible. It's a useful feature if you want to create movement, including the zoom in and zoom out effect. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.